On May 2016, FDA published final rules to implement changes to the nutrition and dietary supplement labeling and serving size regulations, including dietary fiber new definition. These new rules were impacting and questioning the dietary fiber status of Acacia. Actually, Nexira was involved very early for the dietary fiber status of Acacia. In 2011, Nexira submitted a food additive petition which succeeded in 2013. Acacia gum was then recognized as a dietary fiber by FDA. Since May 2016 and the new labeling rules, Nexira was at the forefront of the discussions with FDA, successively inviting other manufacturers around the table. We were a real catalyst in this action, inviting TIC Gums on October 2016. Kerry Group and Importer Service Corporations were added early 2017, and Alan Robert was the last to be incorporated in the group on 2018. To convince FDA, we had to prove that Acacia meets the US definition of dietary fiber through the submission of a citizen petition. Based on the discussion with FDA, the objective was to strengthen the body of evidence supporting the beneficial physiological effects of Acacia gum on blood insulin and glucose attenuation. At the end of 2018, 2 clinical studies were launched, financially supported by the Acacia Gum Group, one coordinated by Nexira at the University of Minnesota under the supervision of Professor Johan Slavin, and another one at GI Labs, coordinated by Ingredient TIC Gums. A citizen petition was submitted based on these new clinical evidences. As we wanted to anticipate and to have a strong dossier, Nexira decided to conduct an additional new clinical study with Analyze and Realize under the supervision of Professor Webelac. Effects of gum Acacia on postprandial glucose and insulin levels in healthy subjects. On January 2020, FDA denied the citizen petition, including the 2 first studies, considering that the strength of the evidence was insufficient to demonstrate that the consumption of Acacia gum has a physiological effect that is beneficial to human health. On July 2020, Nexira shared the excellent results of its own proprietary study with the Acacia Gum Group, and a new citizen petition was submitted on December 2020. On December 2021, FDA granted the citizen petition with Nexira's study and concluded that the strength of the evidence supports the beneficial physiological effect that Acacia has on postprandial blood glucose and insulin. Acacia gum meets the definition of dietary fiber. Considering the strong evidence on Acacia fiber, we were confident, but we are satisfied with the FDA decision to add Acacia fiber to the approved list of dietary fibers. Nexira is extremely proud to have led this important campaign and immensely pleased with the results. In terms of labeling and formulation, this outcome is excellent news for Nexira's US customers who use its brand Inavia for fiber enrichment to actively position their products as a source of dietary fiber.